Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 3, consisting of I'm Mila Ameliani, absent 17,
Dani Rahmasanti, absent 8.
Yasmuti Rahayu, absent 9,
Siti Rahayu Ningsih, absent 29.
In this video, we will presenting about explanation text.
An explanation text is a non-fiction text that is used to describe how or why things happen. It usually includes a sequence of events explaining how and provides reason for a process or phenomenon. Why?
types of explanation text. Explanation texts are categorized according to the type of process they describe. Sequential explanation. Explanation that describe natural and non-natural phenomenon. Cause and effect explanation. Explanation text that links cause and effect in explaining how and why an event occurred.
Structure of an explanation text. Social function. An explanation text is used to describe how or why a certain phenomenon happened. Linguistic feature. General group. Use of linking word. Use of action verb. Use of present tense. Passive voice. Use of technical terms. Use of conjunction.
Drought is the most complex hydrological factors embodiment and additional issues related to climate, land use, and water consumption norms. This complexity increases because it is known that drought is a disaster with slow process. That's why drought often called as crowd disaster. Drought doesn't come suddenly like flood or earthquake, but it comes slowly, so it is easily ignored. We cannot predict when drought will begin and when it will end, but we will realize after being in the middle of the period. There are two kinds of drought, natural drought and anthropogenic drought. Natural drought occurs as a result of the rainfall level is low in one season. It is caused by the supply shortage of surface water and underground water. The shortage of underground water cannot fulfill the needs of particular place in a certain time period on a large area. Then the place will die slowly. Long-term of supply shortage of water slowly will cause a drought. Anthropogenic drought occurs because of water demand more than the water supply. This happens due to humidity disruptions on cropping pattern and water use pattern and the destruction of water reservoir area. The increasing amount of agricultural lands that change into residential plot led to the decrease of water absorption. This causes the increase of surface flow. This increase causes the water which is supposed to be deposited in the ground carried by the surface flow. So it is causing supply shortage of surface water and underground water which led to drought.
Number 1. What is the text about? The text is about the drought happen.
What are the effects of drought? The effect of drought is supply shortage of surface water and underground water and decrease of water absorption. What is the purpose of the text? To explain how and why drought occurs.
Analyze the structure of the text. Answer. Opening paragraph 1. Drought is the most complex hydrological factor, embodiment, and additional issues related to climate, land use, and water consumption norms. Explanation sequence 1. Paragraph 2. Drought doesn't come suddenly like flood or earthquake, but it comes slowly, so it easily ignored. Explanation sequence 2. Paragraph 3. There are two kinds of drought: natural drought and anthropogenic drought. Explanation sequence 3. Paragraph 4. Anthropogenic drought occurs because of water demand more than the water supply. Analyze the language features and give some example of the features from the text. Answer: use of linking word. Then the plants will die slowly, so it is causing supply shortage of surface water and underground water, which led to drought. Use of conjunction. We cannot predict when drought will begin and when it will end. There are two kinds of drought: natural drought and anthropogenic drought. It is caused the supply shortage of surface water and underground water. Anthropogenic drought occurs because of water demand more than the water supply. It is happened with the human disobedience and cropping pattern or water use pattern and the destruction of water reservoir area.
Analyze the passive voice of the text. There is a present tense in the text, namely, drought is the most complex hydrological factors in the demand and additional issues related to climate, land use, and water consumption norms.
That's our presentation about explanation text. Sorry if there are mistakes.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.